Hello everyone, it's English of Standard 4th, chapter number 7, paper boat's second part. As we have seen in the first part that Anna has launched her boat into the water, in the flowing water, and a huge and dirty boy has came and he has inspecting and snatched her boat, and our Anna has ran into her house, and Aunt Avanti was sitting in an armchair and she was observing the vast trees and newly vast trees and beautiful sky. Then she has observed that came why Anna has came into the house with a red face. Then she has told to Aunt Avanti that the boy has taken or snatched her boat. So Aunt Avanti said, "Okay, I will make another for you. You don't worry." But our Anna is not ready. Anna has told that why you are making the boat for him. Now let's check out what happens next. Because I don't think he has an Aunt Avanti who will make boats for him. Because I don't think he has an Aunt Avanti who will make boats for him. Then can't he make himself? He is so big. Then our Anna said to Aunt Avanti that can't he make his own boat? Why you will make for him? Then can't he make them himself? He is so big. Then yes Anna, but maybe no one has taught him how to make boats. Then our Aunt Avanti said, yes Anna, he can make, but maybe nobody has taught him that how to make boats. That is why maybe. So why didn't he go to school? He is so bad. He could not have. Then Anna said, why he is not going to school? He is so bad. Aunt Avanti just smiled. Aunt Avanti just smiled. She had cut some papers into squares and was already folding one. In no time, a boat was. Then Aunt Avanti has cut some papers and she has turned it into squares and already fold one. Okay. Then in no time, a boat was ready. Then she made a few more. Finally, she gave all the boats to Anna and said, here, now run and have fun. Now, finally, our Aunt Avanti has made lot of boats and she has given to Anna, and she told that here are some new boats. Now you just run and have some fun in the water, flowing water. Anna did not move. She was still sucking. She did not want to have anything to do with the boy. Then our Anna was still, she is not ready and she don't want to share any kind of things with that boy. But there was no choice. The rain had just stopped. The gurgling and swelling muddy rainwater was flowing through the open drain. It looks so inviting. Then, clutching the boards tight, Anna started walking hesitantly towards the stream. The boy was still there. He looked at her curiously. Okay. Then finally our Anna has clutched the boat tightly and she has went nearby the stream. The boy was still there. The boy was still there, and he looked at her curiously. That boy was looking at Anna very curiously. Anna took out two not so good boats and held them out for the boy. Anna took out two not so good boats and held them out for the boy. Okay, then Anna has taken two boats which are not good and for that boy, to give that boy. He could hardly believe that this pretty girl in the purple frock was calling him. Then that boy don't believe that pretty girl will call him. He almost ran to her. Now Anna has called that boy, and the boy has almost ran to her. Take, she said without a smile. Then she has given the boat. She told, take these boats without a smile. Now answer orally. What do you think the boy will do now? The boy took them and just stood there quietly. The boy has taken the boats and just stood there nicely or quietly. He did not know what to say. The boy don't know what to say. Chin up in the air, Anna turned her back and gently launched her boat. Anna put the boat into the water. She has launched her boat into the water. Swiftly the boat sailed down the stream. Then the boat has went very swiftly in the stream. The boy stood there watching it. A faint smile dancing on his lips. Anna knew that he had no intention to pulling it out of the water. Happily, she watched the swiftly moving boat as it sailed beautifully. Then Anna was very happy and she was watching that her boat is going very swiftly moving into the water. It sailed very beautifully. Anna was about to shrink. Anna was about to shrink with delight once again when, to her horror, she saw the boat getting caught between mud and stones. Now what happened when her boat was going very swiftly? Anna was very happy, but suddenly the boat was getting caught by between mud and stones. Water splashed against it and slowly flooded the boat. Now, in a flash, the boy dashed right through the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. Then the boy has went there and he has pulled the boat out of the water, and he turned the boat upside down to drain off the water. Then, without a word, he held it out for Anna. Then and that boy has taken out the boat for Anna. Anna took the boat and smiled. Then Anna has taken the boat and she has smiled. The boy smiled back, a beautiful smile. The boy smiled back, a beautiful smile. Anna turned it round and gently left the boat into the stream. Then again Anna has launched the boat very gently in the stream. Then it sailed swiftly and drifted past the big stones, muds, and grass. Soon it was out of sight. Then again Anna has put the boat, and the boat has went very swiftly and gently. Then stones, muds, and grass. Now it was not touching anything, and her boat has went very swiftly, and it was far away, very far away. So it was out of the sight. Anna and the boy looked at each other and smiled. Then Anna and the boy looked at each other and they both are smiled. Here our lesson has completed. In the next video we are going to check out the exercise.